What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Mini Brands figures are basically tiny art masterpieces. From the microscope to the painted details. There are 48 of these mini art figures to collect in NBA Ballers Series 2. And we're opening one every single day. Let's unbox capsule number 2. Let's crack it open! We have Knicks today. Our Wilson ball. Tiny ball. And guess who? We have Jalen Brunson, number 11. Woohoo! New York Knicks. Oh, so cute, little Knicks. Little Jalen Brunson. Look at that. So we have the sticker. We have the small card. And of course, we have our Wilson ball. The court. So I think this is number 14. So there's a number series. I don't know if you see that. 14. And then it's the part of the court. Cool. And of course, our minifigures. Look at the incredible details of this figure. Wow. New York Knicks. Awesome. It's time for our master list. We have 2 different figures again. And we got with the blue jersey. What a piece of micro art! Which mini masterpiece will be added tomorrow in our gallery? Drop your prediction in the comments. Hit subscribe! And I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 3. See ya!